If you want to enable dark mode on ChatGPT, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to switch ChatGPT into dark mode in just a few clicks. Dark mode is great if you want a more comfortable viewing experience, especially when working at night or using ChatGPT for long sessions. It can also help reduce eye strain and make the interface feel cleaner and easier to use. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Now, let's get started. First, go to ChatGPT and open the main page. Once you're on the site, look toward the bottom of the screen and click on your profile. This is where you can access your account and display settings. After that, a menu should appear, and from there you want to click on Settings. Inside Settings, look for the General section and click on it. This is where ChatGPT keeps its basic interface preferences, including the appearance options. Once you're in the General settings, scroll or look for the Appearance area. You should see the theme choices available there. Now find Appearance and click on Dark. As soon as you select Dark, ChatGPT should instantly switch to dark mode. There's usually no extra save button needed, so the change should happen right away. If it doesn't update immediately, just give it a second or refresh the page once, and the new theme should appear. And that's all there is to it. You've now enabled dark mode on ChatGPT. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable the app feels to use day to day. If you want to switch back later, just follow the same steps and choose the light appearance again. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.